Now, you can host Kubernetes any place on any set of computers that are running Linux or Windows, and probably other operating systems too, but those are the two that we know about. Why would you want to host it in Azure Kubernetes Service? Well, for one thing, you get a pay-as-you-go pricing model. So just like any workload that you put in the cloud, you don't have to buy hardware, you don't have to maintain hardware. Microsoft takes care of all that for you. You get the usual benefits of being in the cloud, which are high availability, high performance, and easy unlimited scaling to add or reduce the capacity that you have. Microsoft in the Azure Kubernetes Service provides the master node. So again, that master node in the middle here, you don't have to actually set that up yourself. You don't have to run it. Microsoft takes care of that. Microsoft also maintains the actual Kubernetes software itself and will upgrade it. So if there's a security bug found in Kubernetes itself, Microsoft will patch that for you. And then you also get the ability to easily integrate your Kubernetes solution with lots of different other services that are available in Azure. Some of these you can incorporate into Kubernetes itself. So for instance, Kubernetes typically has a public access point. Kubernetes cluster typically has one or more places where the outside world can talk to it. That's called an ingress point in Kubernetes language. And you can use Azure Load Balancer and Azure Firewall to control access to your ingress. You can also use Azure Active Directory to secure things. Your Docker images need a container registry. You have one built into Azure that you can use. You can use Azure Monitor to provide one-step, one-place monitoring of Kubernetes clusters along with all your other assets in Azure. And you can use Azure External Data Stores, either Azure Storage or any of the myriad kinds of Azure databases to hold data outside the cluster if your containers need it.